video class? Can you tell me what we have learned in our last class? Yes, we have learned about solid shapes and lines. Yes or no? Yes. What are different solid shapes? Which are they? Can you give me names? Yes, cube, then cuboid, then sphere, cylinder and cone. Yes or no? Yes, cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone. Then what were the plane shape? 7 plane shape? Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Then what was next? Oval, diamond and semicircle. Repeat it again. Square, rectangle, circle, triangle, oval, diamond and semicircle. Then what next we have learned? Straight line, then curved line, slanting line, vertical line and horizontal line. So today we will do an exercise related to that. So take page number 137 of your textbook. Okay, so here what you have to do? Write how many lines are there in each picture. What we have to do here? We have to write how many lines are there in each picture. Number A, slanting line. See here, how many slanting lines are there? 1, 2. So write here 2. Next, horizontal line. How many horizontal lines are there? 1. This is a horizontal line. Yes or no? Yes. Straight line from left to right is called horizontal line. So how many horizontal lines are there? 1. Next, vertical line. How many vertical lines are there in this picture? 1, 2. So write here 2 vertical lines. Horizontal line. Count it. How many horizontal lines are there? 1, 2. So write here 2. Then, horizontal lines are 2 and slanting lines. How many slanting lines are there? How many slanting lines are there? Only 1. So write here 1. Now, next, in this picture, how many curved lines are there? 1, 2. How many curved lines are there? 2. Then vertical line. How many vertical lines are there? 1, 2. So write here 2. Horizontal lines. How many horizontal lines are there? 1, 2. Next one. Straight line. How many straight lines are there? 1 straight line. So write here 1. Curved line. 1, 2. 2 curved line. Next is slanting line. See here, how many slanting lines are there? 1, 2, 3. This is also a slanting line. 4. So how many slanting lines are there? 4. And horizontal line. Here there is only 1 straight line from left to right. That is horizontal line. Then curved line. Where is curved line? Yes, only 1 curved line. Straight line 1 and 2. So write here 2. Done till here? Yes. Now next is drawing a line. How can you draw a line? We draw a line with the help of a ruler. Yes or no? Yes. How we can draw a line? See? With the help of a scale, ruler. If we want to draw a horizontal line, then how we will draw it? Look at here. Yes. This is horizontal line. Then if we want to draw vertical line, Done? Yes. Now slanting line if we want to draw them. Yes. These are slanting lines. Yes or no? Yes. Then ruler is also used to measure it. Look at here. Yes. See here. Here centimeter is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? Yes. If they have asked us to draw a line of 5 centimeter, then how we will draw it? Yes, from here 0 to 5. This is 5 centimeter line. Yes or no? Yes. So what we use to draw a line? We use a ruler or scale. Turn the page. Take next page. Yes, now sometimes it also happens that we do not have a scale. At that time what we are using? Yes, we can use pencil box to draw a line. We can also use a book to draw a line. Yes or no? Yes, but with the help of pencil box or a book or any other thing, can we measure the line? No, we need a scale to measure a line. Yes or no? Yes. Then, if we want to draw a curved line, then what we will use? We will use a compass. Yes or no? Yes. If we want to draw a circle, then we are using rounder. Yes or no? Yes. Then we can also draw a lines or curved line with the help of some object. Yes. If we want to draw a circle, then what we can use? Bangle. We can use plate also, bowl also, है ना? Yes, then free hand. Like this way also we can do it. Yes or no? Yes, understood? Okay. Now, next is what you have to do? Here you have to draw a line using a ruler. What you have to do? You have to draw a line using a ruler or a scale. First of all, horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line with the help of a scale. Now, next is vertical line. Draw a vertical line with the help of a scale. Yes, from top to bottom. Next is slanting line. Draw a slanting line. Done? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Now next is tracing the shapes. You know how we can trace the shape? Yes, we can use a bucket to draw a circle. Yes or no? Yes, it is known as tracing the shape. When we use any of the object to draw something, then it is known as tracing the shapes. See, we can trace some flat shape using the base of solid shape things. This is a solid shape thing. Yes or no? Yes, but if we want to draw a circle, if we want to draw a flat shape, then we can use this thing. Yes or no? Yes. So, this is an exercise related to tracing a shape. Look at here. All the shapes are solid shape. Yes or no? Yes, this is a solid shape thing. This is also a solid shape. But here, this is a flat. So, what we have to write? We have to write a flat shape. We can get from the base of the solid shape. See, this is a base of a solid shape. Yes or no? Yes. So, this is a bottle. Which plane shape does it gives? Base of a bottle is circle. Yes or no? Yes. So write here circle. They have given us a solid shape, but what we have to write? We have to write base of that shape. Yes, what is this? Box. Which base it has? Square base. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Then which shape it is? Yes, this is a cone shape, but the base is circle. Done? Yes, take next page. Yes, which shape this is? It's a cuboid, but what is the base of a shape? It's a rectangle. So write here rectangle. Next, which shape it is? Which plane shape does it give? Triangle. So write here triangle. And which shape does it give? Again, rectangle. Done? Yes. Now, so next one, identify the solid shapes in the given picture. What we have to do? We have to identify the solid shape. Try to understand difference between solid shapes and plane shapes. In this exercise, what we have to do? We have to identify solid shapes. In previous one, what we were doing? We were writing plane shape. Now this is a solid shape. So which shape it is? Sphere. So write here sphere. Next one. Which shape it is? Cylinder. Very good, beta. Next one. Which shape is this? It's a dome. Which shape is it have? Cone shape. Next one. It's a gift box. Which type of shape it has? Solid shape? Cube. Very good. Now number E. What is this? Cylinder. The name itself suggests a shape. Which shape it is? Cylinder. So write here cylinder. Next, number F. Mobile phone. Which shape does it give? Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Next one. What is the shape of a candle? Solid shape? Cylinder. So write here cylinder. Next one. Which shape it has? Sphere. Then this is a packet of cookies. Which shape does it give? Which solid shape? Cuboid. Turn the page. Take next page. So now last one. What you have to do? You have to draw a rough sketch of the figures. The same figure you have to draw here. But you have to use a ruler to draw a lines. What you will use? You will use a scale to draw this line. You have to draw a same sketch what they have given us in figures. But this one you will complete it in homework. Okay? Now we will start a new chapter in our next class. Bye.